Hey everyone. So right now I'm in Abu Dhabi, major city, the capital of UAE, and specifically in Masdar City, which is the sustainable city part of Abu Dhabi. And we're here in a shopping mall, which is using district cooling, but also has a Carrefour hypermarket. And, you know, which is cool here. What's really cool here is that in such high ambience, Carrefour installed a transcritical CO2 system for their supermarket, right? And the system was provided by Andrea Cavalet, who is the managing director of EPTA for this region, for the Middle East, right? And the system was installed several years ago now, I think 2019, 2020?
Yeah, 4 years ago, yeah.
4 years ago. So it's been running for 4 years. So I thought it was quite cool to be, I'm not here that often, and there are not that many transcritical supermarkets in this region yet. This is the first. I don't know if there have been others.
Not actually, for the moment at least.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Not yet. But so I think it's good to see, because one of the criticisms that we hear often is that CO2 can't work in high ambience. UAE, you're above 50 degrees Celsius in the summer, right? Yep. And we're in December right now, and we're close to 30 degrees. So it's warm all the time. So when you came out with this press release for this FTE, so you're going to explain in a minute what FTE is. Yeah, maybe we can start with that. What is FTE? Because EPTA's had several different iterations of this technology. So tell us a little bit about, this is the first generation, right?
This is the first generation, yeah. This is what was available 4 years ago when we have been asked to implement the CO2 in the sustainable city of Masdar. So that's the technology that we implemented, is a full transcritical technology.
Okay.
That is basically using the flooding of the evaporators in order to increase the evaporation temperature of the system. So, being 2.5% of efficiency, any degree of temperature that is increasing, with this system, we are able to evaporate at around -0 degrees compared to -10, -12 on the empty system.
Okay.
Giving a lot of efficiency.
And this is something that, you've been coming out with this technology and you've improved this, right? So now there's an FTE 2.0 and then you've taken that to another level. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is only the beginning. But with this technology, with the standard FTE that's been around for 4 years, when you came out, I was looking at the press release, you published this, you're saying that you wanted to be able to have 25% energy performance improvement versus a standard 404A system, which is the common refrigerant used in this region. Now you're starting to see 448A, right? But what have you delivered? Did you beat the 25%, which is a key question?
Yes, absolutely, yes. So when we took the challenge with Carrefour to have at least 25%, I was quite sure to be able to perform in this way, but I was not sure that I was able to perform in the way that this system is performing, that is around 40%.
40,
40, yeah.
40%.
Yeah.
In high ambient.
In high ambient, yeah. Carrefour was absolutely so transparent with me, and they provided me the energy data from one store very close here in Al Ain.
You're comparing to an actual system, 448 system in the same region.
Yeah, right? It's in Al Ain, that is very close here.
All right.
Yeah. So let me say apple to apple, so same region, 404 standard, using in the region, let me say, with the standard technology, compared to this technology that is, let me say, the best technology for sure available here. We are able to provide around 40% efficiency increase.
And this has been the case for every year that it's been operating?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. Okay, and you've not had any major issues in terms of maintenance and servicing?
No, major
system,
no.
Right?
Major no. We had, to be fair, we had a solenoid valve that was leaking 2 weeks ago, but it was just a
bad
solenoid.
Bad timing there.
Yeah, bad time. Yeah.
But it was quickly solved.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. I mean, our guys are absolutely trained for that, and no worries.
And then, so are you going to upgrade this to an ETE?
That's the plan. Yeah, that's the plan.
Why? Why would you want to do that if you're already delivering 40% improvement? What's the rationale for then upgrading this further?
Because we are still using some chill water here.
Okay.
So to, let me say, help the system on the very hot climate.
Okay.
This is very little partial of the kilowatts that we are using here. So with the ET, we can avoid totally.
Eliminate that issue.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
We can
all right.
eliminate the water chill and we can use CO2
Okay.
directly. Yeah.
All right. Well, look, I'm excited to see the system. I'll shoot some video clips of the supermarket swell and so forth. But I think, you know, it's a pretty big message here, I would say. Massive performance improvement over an HFC in hot climates. What more do you need?